question from Cora. What are the risks of keeping a broken wisdom tooth below the gum line?
Well, I did not know that this question is coming up later, but I answered some of the, I already gave you the answer, the problem on the previous question. So whenever you have a broken tooth, it's possibly because of the flap of gum tissue sitting on the back. When you have a flap of gum tissue sitting on the back, or when the tooth is not coming through properly, so then you get this constant food packing. When the constant food packing happens, then the tooth is going to get crumbled underneath the gum line or underneath the jawbone. So when that happens, so then the broken wisdom tooth is going to get a bigger cavity. When it gets a bigger cavity, you're going to have some pain. When the food is going to get packed here, then you're going to get some swelling. When you get some swelling, you're going to have some bad bacteria. You're going to have bad breath. You're going to have some pus pocket. And it's a variety of problems. You name it, you got it. So when your wisdom tooth is broken underneath the gum line, the best thing is, again, go to the dentist. And if you're going to the dentist on a regular basis, that shouldn't be happening anyway. It's more like a prevention reasons, and we recommend you get your wisdom teeth removed preventatively. So if that already happened, talk to your dentist what your options are. If your dentist is able to help remove those wisdom teeth, get them removed, or get referred to an office like us, a periodontist or an oral surgeon. They will be happy to get your wisdom teeth removed and help you out. That way you don't have to deal with that broken wisdom tooth.
Really seems